When developing code, consider the following tips. Number 1, place your library calls near the top of the code. And that will basically allow you to understand what packages are needed if you're going to run a very large script. You can make sure they're all loaded. There is code that you can write to automatically install the packages, but again, the idea is that all of the library information and package information should be at the top. Comment each file that you have thoroughly and create a comment block at the top of your code indicating what functions are in the file with an example of how to use the functions. This is another good best practice, is creating an example in your comment section so that you know exactly how to use the function, maybe even defining what the inputs and outputs are. Use indentations consistently. I highly recommend that you indent your code by using the tab key for indentations after braces so that it's easily seen what belongs to sections of the code. So while R is not positional, meaning that the code can be placed anywhere on a line so long as structure is maintained, indentations will help you with readability. And this is different from other languages such as COBOL or Python, which require certain positional elements for lines of code. And finally, use meaningful names for variables and functions. Try and avoid as much as possible variables x, x1, x2. They may be good inside of a function themselves that are temporarily used, but if it's something that's going to be widely used through your application, try and ensure that you have a good name for a variable so that you know what's in it at any point in time in the code.